Did you know that over 100 garments are produced every second worldwide?
That's millions of clothes made every single day.
But what really happens inside a textile factory? Textile factories power the global fashion industry.
They create the fabrics we use in our everyday lives.
From basic clothing to high-end fashion. However, textile factories face serious challenges. Labor conditions can be physically demanding.
The industry also impacts the environment. Sustainability has become a global concern.
Each day begins with raw materials. Fibers are cleaned and prepared for production. Spinning transforms fibers into thread.
Threads are woven into fabric using powerful looms.
Color and design bring fabric to life.
Quality control ensures perfection.
Finally, products are prepared for global markets.
Technology is transforming textile factories.
Automation increases speed and accuracy.
Sustainable practices reduce environmental impact. This innovation is shaping the future of fashion. From raw materials to finished garments.
Textile production connects the world.
What's your favorite type of fabric?
Watch our next video on sustainable fashion practices.